All right, so I've gotten some questions on this proposition HH, which is a change in property taxes. And from what I gathered, it's actually an increase in property taxes, even though the very first bullet point on this Ballotopia is, or whatever it's called, is reducing property tax rates, which I think is interesting. So I've done a little bit of homework on it. And Kyle Clark has this, and I'll put the link in the email, kind of a little explainer video, and at the end of it they basically say this is an increase in taxes, but they go through a couple of different things, and he's got some bullet points on the bottom here which are pretty easy if you vote yes and if you vote no. Something that I just gathered out of it is basically, and I'll show you the chart here, if you vote yes, next year everybody gets the same Tabor refund regardless of your income, but after that everyone's refund would be reduced, meaning you're paying more in taxes, with higher income earners getting even less. So going back to these actual proposition, when you look across the board on it, what it is saying is, the other big bullet point that I thought was good here is a vote yes means that it allows the state to keep and spend the extra money that is collected. Well, that is what's coming back in Tabor refunds to you based upon how much you pay in taxes, right? And they say income earners, but let's face the facts. It's because that's how you pay it. So when we look at this right now, your current refund is, if you pay taxes on $50,000, you get $628. If you if this goes through, they're going to go to, you'd get $898 instead of $628, so you'd see an increase here. If you make 50 to 100, it's almost even. It's about a $60 difference. But if you make over 100 grand, you make bracket wise less. You get less of your tax refund back. So, and they're keeping a portion of that money. And then when you look at it moving forward, you can see that the more you pay in taxes, the less you get back as a proportionally as a percentage. So when I look at this overall, and I would read through this a little bit, I think Kyle does a really good job with this little explainer video on what it is. I can't see how this increases, they're positioning this as something to help you offset the higher cost of taxes because everyone's home values go up. But it looks like it does exactly the opposite of that. So the more you pay in taxes, the less you're going to receive back. That's my 2 cents on it. So all you have to do is look at what you earn. If you make under 100 grand, it'll probably benefit you. If you make over $100,000, you're going to get less money. And that is $100,000 household. So that's all I got for you. Hopefully this helps.